In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a Cloudflare API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Cloudflare account and how to create a secure, customized token you can use with other tools or automations. First, make sure you're signed in to your Cloudflare dashboard in your web browser. This is the main control panel where you manage your website's DNS, security settings, and everything else related to Cloudflare. Once you're logged in and you see your list of sites or your main overview page, you're ready to begin. Look toward the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see your user profile icon there. It might be a small avatar, an initial, or a generic profile symbol. Click that profile icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled My Profile. This will take you to your account profile page where Cloudflare keeps all your personal and security-related settings. On the profile page, focus on the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several sections you can navigate through. Find and click on API tokens. This is where Cloudflare lets you manage secure tokens that can interact with your account without needing to use your main login credentials. Using API tokens is safer and more flexible than sharing your password or a global key. Once you're on the API tokens page, look for the button that says Create Token and click it. This starts the process of generating a new token. A token is essentially a secure key that allows other services or scripts to perform specific actions in your Cloudflare account. Cloudflare will now show you a selection of templates. These templates are predefined sets of permissions tailored to common tasks. For example, you might see options like Edit Cloudflare Workers or Edit Zone DNS. Choosing a template saves you time and helps you avoid giving more access than necessary. If one of these matches what you need, select it. If not, you can still customize the settings afterward. Next, you'll configure the permissions for your token. This step is important because it controls exactly what the token is allowed to do. You can decide whether it can read data, make changes, or manage specific features. You'll also choose which zones or domains the token can access. For instance, if you only want this token to manage DNS for one particular website, you can limit it to that single zone instead of giving it access to everything in your account. This principle of giving the minimum necessary access helps keep your account more secure. After you've reviewed and set the permissions and chosen the appropriate zones, move on by clicking the option that says Continue to Summary. Cloudflare will show you a summary screen that lists all the settings you've chosen for this token. Take a moment to double check everything here and make sure the permissions and zone selections match what you intended. When everything looks correct, click Create Token. Cloudflare will generate the API token for you. At this point, you'll typically see the token value itself. This is the secret string you'll use in your applications or tools. Make sure you copy it and store it somewhere safe and secure because you may not be able to view it again in full later. And that's it. You've successfully created a Cloudflare API token from your dashboard with tailored permissions and access to exactly the zones you specified.